Welcome to aminacademy.com. In human anatomy and physiology, let us discuss about metabolism, some introduction. Your metabolism encompasses all the process within your cells that keep your body functioning like it should. Your metabolism constantly provides your body with energy for essential body functions like breathing and digestion. It is not just a matter of how many calories you use in a day. Metabolism is how your body turns food and drinks into energy to keep you alive and functioning. It's made up of all the chemical processes happening in your body's cells every second. These processes help you breathe, move, heal, and more. Keeping these processes balanced is called homeostasis. It's what keeps your body running smoothly. When we think about metabolism, we often focus on how our bodies burns calories from food and drinks. This is known as your metabolic rate and includes the energy your body uses for basic functions like breathing and keeping your heart beating, that is basal metabolic rate. The energy necessary to digest and process food, that is thermic effect of food. That energy your body uses for physical activities. You might think of metabolism as something you can easily change to manage your weight, but there is actually lot of more about happening behind the scenes. Your metabolism is a complex system that plays a huge role in your overall health, not just how many calories you burn. Further, the metabolism constitutes all the chemical reactions that occur in our body using nutrients to provide energy by chemical oxidation of nutrients, make new or replacement body substances. Now we'll discuss further detail about metabolism. Look at this. Metabolism is the sum of all chemical reactions in the body that sustains life, involving two main processing. First, anabolism. Anabolism is which builds up complex molecules for growth and repair, and catabolism, which breaks down a complex molecules into realized energy. This entire process allows the body to convert nutrients from food into usable energy for vital functions, build and maintain structures, and excrete waste. Anabolism. Anabolism is the set of metabolic pathways that build larger molecules from smaller ones, requiring energy input to do so. It is the building up aspect of metabolism, opposite to catabolism, breaking down, and is vital for growth and repair, such as muscle building and healing. This process uses energy typically from the breakdown of ATP to create complex molecules like proteins, carbohydrates, and DNA. What is anabolism? Anabolism is a fundamental biological process in which cells synthesize complex molecules from simpler ones. That is anabolism. The process of building up complex molecules from similar ones functions requires energy which is supplied by the breakdown of ATP to synthesize new proteins, carbohydrates, lipids, and nucleic acids. For example, building muscle tissues or some synthesizing new cells. It's a anabolism. What is catabolism? Catabolism is the metabolic process of breaking down complex molecules into simpler ones, releasing energy in the process. This occurs through chemical reactions such as hydrolysis and oxidations to generate ATP, which the body can use for functions like muscle contraction or synthesizing new molecules through anabolism. What is catabolism? Look at this one. Catabolism is a metabolic process in which cells break down large molecules such as carbohydrates, proteins, and fats into smaller units to release energies. The process of breaking down large molecules into smaller ones functions releases energy from a breakdown of food source like carbohydrates, fats, and proteins. This energy is used to convert ADP back into ATP and body's main energy currency. For example, digestion breaking down food into basic components like glucose, fatty acids, and amino acids, which are then processed for energy. How they work together. Balance. Anabolism and catabolism are in contact constant balance regulated by hormones like insulin. Energy transfer. Catabolism provides the energy in the form of ATP that anabolism uses to create a new molecules. The breakdown of glucose through cellular respirations, that is a catabolism, releases energy which is then used to build a new proteins, that is anabolism. What are the factors affecting metabolism? Basal metabolic rate, that is BMR, the rate at which the body uses energy at rest. Is that BMR? Influencing factors: age, sex, race, exercise, diet, and health conditions all affect BMR. So far, we discussed some introduction about what is metabolism. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.